This is question 42 from exercise 1.1 in Project Maths 2. Several possible factorations of 36a squared minus 12a are shown below. And for part 1 we've got to figure out which pair of factors is incorrect and we have to justify our answer. And then for part 2 to figure out which pair of factors gives the answer to the question factorize 36a squared minus 12a completely. So one of these pairs of factors here, one of these factorizations, is incorrect. So we're going to test them all and see which one works out as incorrect. So I'll take the first one here. We've got 4a times 9a minus 3. And if we multiply that out, 4a times 9a is 36a squared. And 4a times minus 3 is minus 12a. So that factoration is correct. Let's take the second one now. We've got 6a times 6a minus 2. If we multiply that out, we've got 6a times 6a, that's 36a squared, and 6a times minus 2 is minus 12a. So that factorization is also correct. Alright, let's try the third one. We've got 12a times 3a minus 1. 12a times 3a is 36a squared, and 12a times minus 1 is minus 12a. So that factorization is also correct. So we'll try out the fourth one. That's 36a times a minus 1. 36a times a is 36a squared, and 36a times minus 1 is minus 36a, which is not correct. So the answer that is, the pair of factors that is incorrect is this one right here. And to justify our answer, we just have to show the multiplication that we did for that here. That is enough of a justification for our answer. So that is part 1. Now for part 2, we've got which pair of factors gives the answer to the question factorize 36a squared minus 12a completely. When they say completely in this sense, what they mean is when the factors were taken of this, the highest possible common factor was taken from 36a squared and from 12a. So instead of going searching through these, let's actually do that. So if we write out 36a squared minus 12a, the highest common factor between the numbers 36 and 12 is 12, and the highest common factor between a squared and a is a. And we open our brackets, and 36a squared divided by 12a is 3a, and 12a divided by 12a is 1. So 12a times 3a minus 1, which is our middle one just here, is the answer to part 2 of this question. And that is that.